First run with a gearbox. Neutral. Reverse. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth gear. The gearbox still needs a little tuning because the engine reached max horsepower and max RPM. And I didn't even need a clutch because a neutral kind of acts like a clutch. Let's see the condition of the truck after this. Do you guys think every piece stayed in place? The gears were moving so fast that there are splattering lubricant all over the place. Now I have to clean it up. Let me know what experiments I should do with my truck.